Welcome to my tour guide information. My destination of preference is Salvador de Bahia. Salvador de Bahia was originally the capital of Brazil, and in 1549, it was founded by Thomas de Souza. It was on a thriving sugar trade, and when they first came to the land, the indigenous people were already here, in which they tried to get them to do the work, but they were not able to handle the uh, the heavy load of the work, in which Salvador de Bahia became known the birthplace of slavery. In 1624, brief history. In 1624, Salvador was taken over by the Dutch, but it didn't last for long. Only a year before Portugal, with the help of Spain, uh, took over the land once again. As I stated, the land has a very rich sugar and tobacco industry, and for that reason, they had to find help, as I put that lightly. So with the indigenous people almost eradicated, the people from Portugal sought out to find better ways, and they took the people from Africa and brought them over as slaves. I don't want to make this all about a bad situation. Salvador is a very beautiful place. It has 17 to 18th century colonial style buildings, immaculate churches, a lower and upper city with a elevated Lucerna that goes to both destinations. But the realization is Salvador de Bahia is the birthplace of slavery. Over the lifespan of the slavery times, an estimated 5 million slaves went through Salvador. And the reason why I picked this destination as my choice is because I think it has a very rich history in which I feel like I can learn a lot about my about my origins. Most people of the African American nationality, we don't know our heritage past the slavery times, and this may be the information that I seek. So not only do I want to go there for the beautiful architectural design, but I also want to go there to maybe study a little history about the people and the Afro-Brazilian culture. As you can see on my slides, the slave route and how many people came through Bahia. You see 5 million compared to 472,000 in the Americas. This is a place where the sugar fields were at. This is a picture of the elevator at night. This is daytime. This is the beautiful architectural design. These are the people of there. As you notice, there's some similarities. I would really like to try to find a true meaning. This is the Olodum group. These are the same people that were in Michael Jackson's video. They don't really care about us. Great song. This is one of the churches known as the Gold Church. And this is the cuisine. Moqueca, tapioca, and then of course this is Carnival. And this is the Festival de la Mana, the goddess of the sea. Olodum one more time. Michael Jackson with Olodum. These are my works cited. I went off course, but this is my true feelings. Thank you for your time, Al. Thank you for the semester.